Hello everyone, welcome back. I hope you're keeping fine and safe in this pandemic situation. Things will be better. We do hope for such a situation someday. And within this time, I hope you are already prepared for your examinations. You're waiting for the job notifications to be out. When the job notification will be out, and you can fill them up and apply for your desired job. So, in this video, we are going to talk about the NPCC recruitment to 2021. Walk-in for site engineers, that is civil electrical post. NPCC recruitment 2021 has released its notification at npcc.gov.in, that is the official website. You can check the process, educational qualification, experience required, selection criteria, and other details in this video. Now, NPC recruitment 2021. National Projects Construction Corporation Limited (NPCC) has released the notification for recruitment to the post of site engineers, civil and electrical for various constructions in Northeast Zone. Interest candidates can appear for walk-in interview on 19th July 2021. Talking about the important dates, walk-in interview date is 19th July 2021. NPCC recruitment 2021 vacancy details. Site engineers has 5 posts. Site engineer electrical has got 1 post. NPCC recruitment 2021 talking about the eligibility criteria. Educational qualification. You need to be a bachelor in engineering from recognized university or institute based regular course or non-regular recognized by UGC or AICTE. Now talking about the job summary, NPCC recruitment 2021 walk-in for site engineers, civil and electrical post notification date was June 24th, 2021. Last date for the submission is 19th July 2021. City will be for Guwahati, state Assam, country you can understand India. Organization is NPCC Limited. Educational qualification is other qualifications and graduate. Functional, the industry is engineering, NPCC recruitment. Now talking about the age limit, 40 years, that there will be age relaxation for reserved category candidates as per government norms, but the maximum is 40 years. Now NPCC recruitment 2021 salary is 33,750 rupees per month. That is the salary that has been decided by this commission. So the details and the required information I have given you. So this is a very short term job, because you can understand this is just directly walk-in interview. So you have to be prepared for all the details, all the interview instructions, interview selection, everything on that very day. Maybe there will be examination, but on that date itself. So be ready with your documents. If you're eligible for this post, then go directly to their office on 19th July, and that is the date that is given for the walk-in interview. You will be asked questions, there will be interview, there will be examinations, and on that basis you will have your HR round, and after that your selection. So all the process, all the selection will be done on that very same date. The just like other exams, is not that submission is on some day, selection is some other day, then interview is on another day, or examination on the other day. No, all the examinations, interview, everything will be conducted on that day itself. So if you think you're eligible for the job, go for it on that day. Maybe if your luck supports and if you are qualified enough, so definitely you will get the job, and maybe that day will turn out lucky for your in your life for this job, and you might crack it up. So all the best for your career ahead. If you belong to Guwahati Assam, then definitely don't lose out this chance. This is a very coveted job, and all the best for your career. Do try this, and if you were waiting for such notifications, then this is the one. There will be other notifications for other jobs as well, but do try this out for your state. So, all the best for your examination or for your interview process. All the best for the walk in interview. Stay tuned and keep following. Thank you.